Being a content creator is not, close that door very well. Being a content creator is not easy. I'm cooking now and I forgot that I need to film. You understand? So today I'm making a egusi soup. I want to try this not frying method. I'll be using frying method for my egusi. So today I want to try that one you mix with water and be cutting it inside. You understand? So with vegetable, that is what I'll be using. The leaf I'll be using, and already I've put my pot. Already my meat, stockfish, and the pomo is already on fire, boiling. Understand? So here is my smoked fish. So keep watching. And already the gari, I've already made the gari that I and my family will be eating, and I've already made mama semo also. I did not forget today. I've already made mama semo, so I'll be trying this. Vicky, hold this camera for me. So guys, I don't know if you can hear me because of the generator. I used to do my egusi frying. I used to use frying method, but today I want to try that. My husband have used that method, but I'm always afraid. Shift because of this thing. Shift. I'm always afraid if I put it, let it not scatter. I like egusi that is seed. You understand? That is why I like frying my own. So today I'll be trying that method, as in cut and put inside pot. Let me see how it will come out. In this life, it's always you have to take a risk to achieve something, understand? But not in this time, because they go to come. So I have to use this cutting method. So I'll carry you guys along because I forgot. This thing is hospital. So keep washing. I need to wash the smoked fish. Everything has pieces. Thank God. Will you shift? See her doing something and you're distracting her.
Like
Hmm?